Now let's add the profiles of the event organizers. Displaying organizer profiles helps build trust with your participants, giving them a personal connection to the event. Let's walk through how to add an organizer profile to your conference website. Start by going to your dashboard. On the left side, click on Organizers, then click Add Organizer. Here, you'll enter the organizer's name, their role in the conference, and a brief description. You can also upload a profile picture and include their social media handles. Once you've filled everything in, click Create Organizer. Let's add another organizer. Now that we have 2 organizers, let's head back to the customizer. You'll see the profiles have been successfully added. If you want to add more, simply click Add Organizer again and repeat the process. Finally, let's check the website. All the organizer profiles we added are now listed here. And that's how you can easily add organizer profiles to your conference website using Spiny Events.